Welcome to w-invest website. At the website can you follow in real time how we invest. W-invest model is a non-speculative investment model. When you click on Daily Performance, will you in the table see the stocks we have in our portfolio today? To see how the stock has moved the last 2 months, just type the name in the field. Search stocks. Year-to-date performance, compared with S&P 500 index. Just look at the right side. Hold the mouse over the graph, to get the exact number. In 2020 have we yield so far 12%. S&P 500 has lost about 9% in the same period. Our model have worked very well in the past too. Please go to Past Results. In the first graph, hover the graph to check how much we either lost or won that year. For example, in 2019, we yield 50.9%. In the bottom graph, accumulated return over the past 20 years. In the right table, choose year, and you will get a complete list over stocks we bought that year. Go to Portfolio Manager. Our model is non-speculative, but we do swift between gold and stocks. Before and during a crisis we have 75% in gold. Opposite in all other times. Quite long time before and during a crisis, the curve for gold and stocks follow each other. Means you will get the same return, doesn't matter where you place the money. It means no risk to swift to 75% gold of your total portfolio. 1971 to 1973. In the beginning, curve follow each other 100%. Oil prices start. Gold is a much better place to be. 2002. 2002. Same pattern. 2008 to 2010. Again same pattern. 2019. Same again.